Kwaga kuhitukio kwa maritwa ma abunge ya Kenya ni gwathararirie cikaro cia bunge ya Afrika ya irathiro iria yarikirie cikaro ciayo mweri wa gatandatu mwaka uyu. Ndugamano yaumanire na itua ria mwena wa abunge ya Jubilee kuregana na ritwa ria muruwe wa munini wa mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya CORD hindi iyo Kalonzo Musyoka niwe Kennedy Musyoka. Abunge atano aria mekurora mutaratara ucio weru kamiti-ini ino ya hamwe ni Kato Ole Metito, Jeremiah Kioni, Florence Mutua, Jane Kihara na Dan Manzo. Agithoma kuhitukio kwa maritwa macio, Speaker wa bunge ya bururi Justin Muturi ni augire bunge ya Afrika ya irathiro ni kiega kia bata hari urutithania wira wa mabũrũri mothe ma gĩtarũ gĩkĩ.
Noting that the term of the previous East African Legislative Assembly lapsed on June 4th, 2017, cognizant of the need to urgently conclude the election process for the East African Legislative Assembly to commence transacting business of the East African community, now therefore, in accordance with the provisions of Rule 9 of the House of Parliament Rules, Joint Sittings, the House resolves to establish a joint select committee consisting of five members from each of the Houses of Parliament to undertake the functions contemplated under the East African Legislative Assembly election.
So I was just trying to do induction here.
Ona kuri uguo abunge ya mung'ethaniro matongoretio ni mubunge wa Suna East Junet Mohamed aria manyitaga mbaru Kennedy Musyoka kuhitukio ni mageririe gutetera itua riao ria gwikira ritwa riu ria muruwe wa Kalonzo Musyoka.
Mr. Speaker, I want to support the motion, Mr. Speaker, in spite of the boycott. But this is a very important matter, Mr. Speaker. I decided to remain in the House and not to resist. But Mr. Speaker, the matter of the East African Assembly, Mr. Speaker, is a very important matter. That parliament has not been sitting because of the country, our country do not give the names of their members.
Ciama cia kiuteti ciagiriirwo ni kuneana maritwa kuri bunge iria yoyaga maritwa kenda, matano kuma mwena wa thirikari na mana kuma mwena wa mung'ethaniro niguo matuike abunge ya Afrika ya irathiro. Ihinda-ini riu bunge netiritie cikaro ciayo nginyagia tariki 29 mweri uyu kuheka mweke ciama cia kiuteti kuiguithaniria aria meguikara kamiti-ini itiganite cia bunge kunina ndugamano iria iriho. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.